Hi everyone, welcome back to Keto Treat Day with the Keto Treat Gal. And boy, do I got a treat for you. No, you're not dreaming. You are seeing exactly what you see. Pizza rolls, done keto style. Yeah, I did it again, you guys, but with the help of my husband. My husband has went back on keto with me. He is a huge, can't talk right, huge pizza lover, and there are plenty of recipes to do keto pizza. I've showed you guys that, and there are different ways to make crust and stuff, but he thought of one. He said, how about pizza rolls? Could you ever come up with a keto style pizza roll? And boy, I got my brain going, and I said, absolutely I can. And I've even got them done in the jumbo size right here. Now, we'll go over a few things. At the end, you're going to see a slideshow on how to make them. Down below will be the ingredients and how to make them there too, to make it even easier for you if you forget while watching the video. I also, after this video, I'm going to show you a picture of the Totino's pizza rolls, just the normal size. These are jumbo here, just the normal size. For 6 of them, you guys, 6 is 26 grams of carb, okay? Mine here, done in the jumbo, for 9 of them, it's only 12 carbs. Yes, 9 jumbo size, which would be 2 pizza rolls in one, 9 of them, 12 carbs. Now, I've added some ranch because everybody likes to dip their pizza rolls in ranch. So that's going to add 2 more if you add a serving of a ranch dressing, which is 2 more carbs. Now, that is net. I'm giving you the net carb on these is 12 plus 2 more, so it'd be 13 carbs if you ate all 9 of them, okay? If you wanted to use it as a one meal and do that, you certainly can. Remember, we just can't go over 20 carbs a day. I do recommend that you do 6 carbs in one sitting, but this is more of a treat. And you know what? Bring it to a party, set this down. Everybody's only going to eat a few of them anyways. So for every 2, it's 3 carbs. So if you eat 4 of them and they are jumbo, which is going to equal out to 6 or 8 of the smaller ones, right there you've got, what is it, 6 carbs? 6 carbs and a little bit of ranch dressing. You won't need a lot, so maybe you got like 7 carbs. Now, this isn't one you're going to eat all the time because I do teach. I did it with these Joseph Lavish bread, the flax. I'm trying to get it to go down here. The flax oat bran whole wheat lavish bread. I get it from Walmart. You can also get it from Cub. You can also get it from different grocery stores. So just look around for them. They are very big, very big. For one of them, what it is it's 9 and 4 fiber for a half of one. So that would be 5 carbs. So the whole thing would be 10 carbs. So 10 carbs for that. Then I have used a pizza sauce that was the lowest in carb, which was 4 with 1 fiber. So it was only 3 grams of carb, but that's for a 1/4 a cup. I don't even have a 1/4 a cup on all of these. I've done 2 wraps of these just because I wanted to do a plate of them just to have them for a few days for me and my husband for snacks because we're just going to have a few. But anyways, so the pizza sauce was very little. You'll see in the video. I mean, I literally didn't even do a half a teaspoon on each one. That's all you need, you know, and they're just little pizza rolls. And then I've done just a little sprinkle of mozzarella cheese, and I did find, or my husband did, the little round pepperonis, the tiny ones, but they also make them diced too, so you can buy whichever one you want. Now, pepperoni don't have carbs, and it would have a little bit of carb in the cheese, but again, the cheese is so little that I put on there in the amount you'll see in the photos, and the sauce is so little too. So really the only carb you are getting basically is the lavish bread here, which is a nice low carb here, and it's got the omega-3. It's just wonderful. I love the Joseph brand stuff. Now, I don't recommend them you eat them all the time. I have made them. I have made cream cheese wontons. I have used them to make a breakfast pizza. I've used them to make a regular pizza as the crust. I just don't eat them all the time. You can use them to wrap up and make a tuna roll with it or whatever. Just don't eat them often because obviously it's a little higher in carb. They do add up a little more and can kind of kick people a little bit. Some people it doesn't. It didn't really kick me. Maybe kick my color a little bit just because certain things aren't completely keto, but we do eat these on keto, and I figured it out with the lovely help of my husband recommending pizza rolls. I am just super excited about this, and I wanted to just do a nice, you know, tray of them to show you guys, you know what, we've got March Madness coming up. I'm sure people are getting together for that. We have Easter coming up. We have 4th of July coming up. Many parties coming up. You can make these, bring them. Nobody will know that they are low carb, and you're helping America become great when you're helping them keep their low carb or their carbs low. Make these for your kids. No reason to buy the Totino's pizza rolls. Make these. My husband already tried one, and he said they're better than Totino's. And he said they do taste just like pizza rolls. So make these for your kids. Help your kids to enjoy low-carb meals as well and keep them healthy. Now I'm going to come up to the camera and show you. Look at these, you guys. Oh, my God. Look at this. Jumbo-sized pizza rolls. Yum, I cannot wait to taste one. We are going to have a few of these later for a snack. Right now, I'm currently doing 1 meal a day. So they're really for him. I'm going to try one because I just did finish my dinner, my 1 meal. So I'm going to have a pizza roll with you guys. But I'm going to save these for him for a few days because he's the pizza lover. And I'm really strict when I do something. In fact, in just the last 3 days of doing 1 meal a day, I've already taken off the water that I gained from that cheat. And then, you know, from when I moved, and then I just didn't go back to my regular 1 meal a day. I went to my 2,000 calories. So I just basically stayed the same. You know, I did lose my water weight, some of that, but basically stayed the same, which is awesome on keto. You can eat that many calories, but I decided I wanted to lose again. I'm going to get to the 120s. What if it kills me? I'm definitely getting there. No, it won't kill me. This is keto. I'm going to live forever, right? But anyways, I'm very strong, so I'm not going to have these. I'm just going to do my 1 meal. I'm going to enjoy one right now with you guys just to tell you how they taste. And then I'm going to save these for my husband. Be perfect just to wrap them up in, you know, Reynolds wrap or a baggie, put them in the fridge. He can heat them in the microwave if he wants to heat them up. Or, you know, you could make these and freeze them too. Why not, right? But no more talking. We need to try one of these. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe pizza rolls. I am just blown away. Nice and crispy and golden brown. Who would ever know this wasn't a true pizza roll? Let's dip it in a little bit of ranch dressing. Yum. I have not had a pizza roll in almost 4 years because I'm keto. Even on my couple of cheat days, I never thought to have pizza rolls. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm going to stand up here and show you. Look at this. Look at the cheese. Look at the pepperoni. Look at the sauce. OMG. Oh my God, these are good and they are crispy. Yum. They have cooled off. They were much more crispier. When I made these, like I said, you'll see the slideshow, how I made them, how I put them together and everything. I did put them on a flat pan for the oven, just a flat, I don't even know what you call that. I'm brain fart here. What is it? A cookie sheet. Put it on a cookie sheet. But I did spray it with the olive oil spray just to coat the pan so that they wouldn't stick. And then after I laid them down, I also sprayed a little bit of the oil on them too because I buy the olive oil in a spray, a cooking spray. And then I just sprayed all of them too just to give them that nice golden brown when they cooked. And I cooked it at 350 for 10 minutes. So you can go a little higher, maybe a little less time, but it worked out perfect for me at 350 for 10 minutes. And oh my gosh, you guys, pizza rolls. I knew this was going to be one that would freak you guys out. I have got to get this cookbook going because, again, I make simple, easy meals, recipes, and treats that are the easiest to go out and buy and find and make. They're not complicated. You don't got to search the world for all these recipes that I make. I've got to get this out, and I have been working on it, and I hope I can get that thing published, and I would love for all the people on here that watch me would buy one because you guys are going to be able to make all these meals super, super easy and very inexpensive. These are not expensive meals that I make. Look at that with the ranch dressing and all the stuff in it. You guys, pizza rolls. I love doing this because I love for you guys to be able to make treats for your kids too that are keto. Keep your kids healthy too. Oh my gosh, that's good. Yum, yum, yum. Look at these, you guys. I'm just going to show you a few more. Oh my gosh, look at nice golden brown. Yum. Jumbo-sized pizza rolls. Because if you were to cut them in half, that would be the size of a regular pizza roll. I've done it again, everybody. I have done it again. Come up with an amazing treat that's keto, that's healthy, that's delicious, and that, I don't know a soul that wouldn't eat these. Get your whole family on board. Look up my keto recipes. Look up my keto treats. Get your entire family on board and start living life healthy. Get that weight off and just live life to the fullest. It doesn't have to be about food. I do teach that we eat to live, not live to eat. But why can't we still enjoy some really awesome meals and treats, but not have any guilt, right? Anyways, I'm going to let you go because I got to put these away because I'm going to want more. And I'm doing 1 meal a day. Like I said, I've done only 3 days so far in. I forgot to tell you that. I have 3 days in with OMAD doing my coffee bomb in the morning that I told you, and then my 1 meal at night. And I've already dropped almost 7 pounds. So pretty much I'm back to where I was, and then I've just got pounds to get to the 120s. I am so excited. I know it's going to take time though, because that last few pounds does take a lot. So I am now exercising. The weather's better. I'm walking, and I'm going to get it off. I am definitely going to get to the 120s, everybody. Definitely. But anyways, just wanted to let you know that's where I'm sitting right now. I'm feeling great. Look at how much energy I have when I use my body fat as my energy. Make sure you guys remember that. This is a treat. It is not an everyday thing because you want to use your body fat as your energy source. But it's okay once in a while to have a dirty keto day. Bring them to a party, whatever. You got to have keto stuff, and you got to enjoy them and not feel like you're on a diet, because this isn't a diet. This is a way of life. And I'm going to keep coming out with more exciting treats and recipes. I love you guys very much. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of these videos like such pizza rolls, keto style. And shoot me a thumbs up. I really enjoy that, and it really lets me know if you guys are enjoying my videos. I love you guys very much. God bless. Take care, and I will see each and every one of you in my very next upload. And say it with me, everybody. Everybody remember to keep it keto.